Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable camera on our Roblox iPad. So first of all guys, you just need to open Roblox app on your iPad or iPhone or any device you have. Just go tap on three dot over here and just go to settings and just go to in privacy. Now guys, you just need to scroll down and you will see here camera input option. You just need to tap on this toggle button next to it. Enable, just tap on this enable button to enable your camera and your camera will be enabled. Now you can use this feature on Roblox to track your movement. You can open any game that you want to play. Make sure the game supports camera as communication. I'll show you this game supports camera as communication. You just need to open this game, and now guys we just need to play this game, and just need to tap on this Roblox icon over here. Just tap on this video icon. Can you see video icon? And also there's also a face cam. Just tap on it. Just tap on it and your camera will be enabled. Now it will start tracking your movement. If you can see, if I have move my head, it start tracking, like it's basically tracking my face movement. It will start syncing with the avatar. So yeah, that's how you can use a camera on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.